If you're thinking of diving into the world of digital art, you're very likely to think of getting yourself a drawing tablet. It doesn't matter if you've been relying on classic art mediums your whole life or didn't even have a passion for drawing. You'll always be a beginner when it comes to digital art because it's very distinct and different. In today's video, we will help you pick the drawing tablet that would be the best fit for you as a beginner. Number 8. Oogi or Oogi G3. It's one of the best graphic tablets for beginners with a phenomenal price. The physical specs of Oogi G3 also being very cool. 16.6 inches in width, 10 in length, 2 in thickness, and 2.5 pounds in weight. It has a drawing area of 9 by 6 inches and a USB input. It also has a battery-powered pen that performs very well. It's designed with buttons that makes it fully stand for a mouse, replicating the left and right clicks. The performance of the tablet itself is very good. It responds quickly, catching and translating every single movement you make in a fluid way. Although it has a small drawing area, it has a great sensitivity even in the edges where it usually drops. It will cost you around $100. Number 7. Turcom Pro. It's one of the best graphic tablets for beginners as it has a super easy setup process. It performs very well without any lag or spacing problems. It has an active drawing area of 8 by 5 inches. And actually, the product's name Turcom 8x5 Pro refers to the drawing area itself. It's rather small compared to the other popular tablets, but for a beginner, it's a nice starting point. It has a width of 14.5 inches and a length of 12 inches, in addition to a thickness of 2.5 inches. The convenient weight of 2 pounds makes it very portable and easy to carry around. Number 6. Oogi M708. If you want a tablet that is bigger than the average size but still thin and light, then this option is just the one for you. Oogi M708 is a great drawing tablet for beginners with a very ergonomic design and a thin profile. It's quite large with a width of 15.5 inches and a length of 9 inches. Moreover, it has a USB input for power, 8 express keys for shortcuts, and a battery-powered stylus. It will cost you $74. Number 5. Parblo Coast 10. It's a professional graphic tablet that suits beginners very well. It comes with a great display of 1280 by 800 resolution, providing you with a great color accuracy. The tablet has a USB input for power, so you can use it anywhere. Not to mention that it's highly portable, making it easy to use in both wired and wireless modes. The battery-free pen that comes with it is thin and light, and it can also stand for a mouse. In other words, it has a button that stands for the right click. However, if you needed the left click, you can tap on the drawing surface and the pen will perform the action for you. Overall, it will provide you with all the comfort and quality you need, with a pressure sensitivity that can reach 2048 levels. Moreover, the tablet has a grove on top of it, serving as a pen holder when it's not used. Parblo Coast 10 has very convenient physical specs, making it one of the best options for portability. With its 11.4 inches in width, 8.3 inches in length, 0.75 inches in thickness, and 1.4 pounds in weight, you can even carry it with you in your laptop bag. And for extra convenience, the package includes a USB hub and an anti-fouling glove. It will cost you roughly $260. Number 4. Artisol D10. This is a great tablet for beginners in addition to being very well packed with features for the on-budget price that it offers. It comes with an HDMI input for videos plus the USB input for power. It's 12 inches for width and 8.2 inches for length, with a high-quality drawing surface. It works like bright LCD with an anti-glare glass. The pen is very powerful with its battery-free and the 10 changeable nibs. not to mention the very neat storage container. It comes with buttons on the side that replicate the same functionalities of a mouse. However, the press keys are in the opposite side of the cable stick, which can be somewhat a hindrance during the process. It will cost you $63. Number 3. XP Pen Deco 01. This is the best tablet for beginners who want a full digital drawing starter pack. It has a large display with 10 by 6.2 inches of active drawing area, so there's plenty of room to draw in comfort with a resolution of 50,080 lines per inch. You can connect it to a monitor with the USB Type-C input or choose the Bluetooth support if you prefer the wireless solution. The tablet comes with a powerful battery-free stylus with a pressure sensitivity that surpasses 8,000 levels. With 8 customizable keys and a sleek design that is suitable for right and left-handed artists, making this tool ergonomic was sure a priority. It will cost you roughly $70. Number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro. This awesome tablet will allow you to enjoy all the rich and sophisticated drawing techniques while keeping it simple at the same time. It has an active drawing area of 8.7 by 5.8 inches. It can be fully powered by a single USB cable, which also transmits the marks you make back to the computer. But it also has the wireless mode powered by a built-in Bluetooth support. Moreover, Wacom Intuos Pro has a stylus that is considered 3 to 4 times more accurate than other products. The pressure sensitivity that goes beyond 8,000 levels and the battery-free autonomy are a tangible proof of that. It comes with 8 press keys that you can adjust to use as your favorite shortcuts and a center wheel that you can use to perform simple tasks like zooming, changing the brush settings, and so on. It will cost you $380.